Ruffle is the vocabulary of the day. It's a verb. Ruffle. 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 ओके, रफल के दो मीनिंग होते हैं, मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ। पहला ये कि किसी के बाल ऐसे ऐसे कर देना। अक्सर हम छोटे बच्चों के बाल ऐसे होता है ना, ऐसे 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 कर देते हैं प्यार से, अफेक्शनेटली, या उन्हें चढ़ाने के लिए, है ना। तो इसे कैसे इस्तेमाल करेंगे? द फादर अफेक्शनेटली, मतलब प्यार से, ruffle, the hair of his son or his daughter. And another meaning of ruffle is to annoy or to irritate, right? Or to be annoyed or to be irritated, right? So I'll make a sentence you'll understand. एक लड़का है अरुण जो एकदम काम एंड कंपोज और शांत है। उसे जल्दी कोई इरिटेट कर नहीं सकता, उसे कोई चिढ़ा नहीं सकता, क्योंकि एकदम शांत रहता है। कोई कितना भी कुछ भी कर ले, वो कभी गुस्सा नहीं होता, है ना, कभी चिढ़ता नहीं है। So we can say that Arun is so calm and composed that nobody can do anything to ruffle him, meaning to annoy him or to irritate him. I hope you've learned this word and you can use it in your daily lives. In make sentences, you can make one sentence and write in the comment section so that we can tell you, if you've used it in the right way or no, and give you a feedback. And on top of it, if you want to see more videos, you can subscribe and like this page and this video. And you can follow us on social media. And if you want to learn even more, then why don't you consider doing a course from us? Then you can also specialize, in using this language. You can also be proficient in using English language. You can use right words and good words, and this will not only help you be confident, but this will change the way you speak and the way you communicate in your personal as well as your professional life. Contact us. You can find the link in the description box. Take care of yourself. My name is Amit Dubey. I'll sign off. Thank you so very much for your time. Have a beautiful day ahead. Bye.